Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pain treatment. If you are experiencing pain in your joints, neck, back, leg or arm, wrap the affected area with aluminium foil and fix it with a bandage. Allow it to remain at least for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. You will get relief.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are conflicting reports that cooking in aluminum pots and pans is risky because aluminum can leach into the food. Lightweight aluminum is an excellent heat conductor, but it's also highly reactive with acidic foods such as tomatoes, vinegar, and citrus.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.